Chef Paul, and we're going to be showing you how to bread our cauliflower today. So we've got our cauliflower cut into nice bite-sized pieces, so you can just pop them right in your mouth. And you want to bread these in batches. So we've got our eggs, we've got some Dijon. I'm going to put that in there. That's going to give some nice sharpness to our egg mixture here. There we are. Salt, build those layers of flavor. And then we're just going to whisk that up with our fork. And it combines nicely here. So that is our wet part of our breading station. Now, on to the dry part. So there we are. So we've got some panko breadcrumbs here. We're gonna add some seasoning, some flavoring agents to this. So we've got some nice toasted sesame seeds. In we go. Salt, pepper. Oh, I love all these ingredients. Building layers and layers of flavor. Garlic powder, a little ginger, a little bit of chili flakes. Love the spice. In we go. And then some turmeric. So this is gonna give it some nice, bright yellow color. In we go. Key to a good breading station is separating everything out. So we'll mix this up and then separate it out. So just a little stir, transferring through those flavors so that every single little cauliflower has all those delicious flavors combined. There we go. Now, separate this out. So a little bit in another bowl, because what happens is it actually starts to get a little bit gloopy or clumpy, and we don't want that. We want to get a nice clean breading on our cauliflower. So starting in batches, I'm going to start with about 3. We're going to pop that into the wet, keeping my wet hand wet and my dry hand dry. And now we're going to drop that right into our panko, and here's the dry hand. So keeping these both separated, otherwise your panko will get really chunky and goopy and it's not going to coat your cauliflower very nice. So just rolling that around like so. Shake off the excess, and on our baking tray. Again, I'm going to show you that cauliflower, roughly 3 in batches, right in the egg mixture, and then taking a little bit of the extra egg mixture off, right into the dry hand, mixing that around in our panko mixture here. And you can see already it's actually starting to chunk up. So that's when you want to start using a little bit of the fresh panko. Just like so. There you go. So you can add a little bit more, or you can even use the second bowl. But we'll add, keep adding. There we go. Again, we'll do another 3. Shake it around. Just drip off that extra egg mixture and pop that in there. Dry hand coming in. Just folding these guys around in here, coating that wonderful, flavorful crust. If you spill a little bit, that's okay. You can throw it over your left shoulder, just like you would salt, for good luck. And then shake off the extra or excess panko. And there you have it on our baking tray. Beautiful. Spread them apart. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly about 20 minutes. And boy, oh boy, you got yourself a delicious appetizer.